amigos. I just wanted to give you a little bit of help in writing your writing portion for your test tomorrow. Some of you have submitted some paragraphs to me, and they're good starts, but we're kind of maybe overthinking it a little bit or forgetting what we're trying to practice with this writing portion, which is what we did in the chapter, impersonal expressions with the subjunctive. So, what I'm seeing from those that I've read so far is that we want to, start our paragraph with what we're talking about, which is fine. But then what we end up doing is saying the advantages are blank, 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 and then you can't use subjunctive when you write it in that way. So I'm going to give you a little bit of help to maybe start off your paragraph and then get into those impersonal expressions with subjunctive. So if you want to say what it is that you're writing about, the advantages and disadvantages of wearing uniforms, you can say something like, there are advantages to wearing uniforms, and then go into your sentences. So you could say like, there are ventajas llevar uniformes. There are advantages to wearing uniforms, if you want to write it like that. And then you can go into your impersonal expressions. Es bueno que, es malo que, es importante que, es necesario que. Whatever it is that you want to say is an advantage or is a disadvantage. So it's good that students don't have peer pressure. I saw that a few times. That's great. So you would say, es bueno que los estudiantes know, and then you're going to use tener in the subjunctive and then use your vocabulary. Or you could say it's important that, it's necessary that. And then you can do the same thing with your disadvantages. There are disadvantages also. Hay desventajas también. Oops, there we go. And then you can say es necesario que, es importante que, es preferible que, es anything que is going to be your impersonal expression, and then tell me what is one of your advantages. You can look up a few words. I would run them past me before you finalize on them, because I know there are a few things that you kind of want to say that we haven't learned in a Spanish class, but just run them by me before you use any of those if you want to, just so I can make sure that they are the correct word to use in this setting. And then if you've already submitted your writing portion, if you want to rewrite it and send it to me again, you're welcome to do that. Or if you haven't submitted a writing portion, I strongly recommend that you do, just because those I've seen, we've just had a few things to sort out, maybe just trying to get on the right track of writing them. So send them to me if you'd like to. If you'd like a little bit more help, let me know. And have a great day. Adios.